This video is all about some techniques in doing mental division. The first technique is dividing any number by 10. Let's try to solve 2124 divided by 10. In dividing a whole number by 10, just place a decimal point before the last digit number of the dividend. Therefore, 2124 divided by 10 is equal to 212.4. Next example. If the dividend is a decimal number, just move the decimal point one place from right to left. This means that 212.4 divided by 10 is equal to 21.24. Next technique is dividing any number by 5. Let's take 2124 divided by 5 as an example. In this case, divide the dividend by 10. 2124 divided 10 is equal to 212.4. Next is multiply 212.4 by 2. 212.4 times 2 is equal to 424.8. And now, we've got the answer. 2124 divided by 5 is equal to 424.8. Next technique is dividing any number by 20. Let's take 2824 divided by 20 as an example. In this case, divided the dividend by 10. 2824 divided by 10 is equal to 282.4. Next is divide the result by 2. 282.4 divided by 2 is equal to 141.2. This means that 2824 divided by 20 is equal to 141.2. That's all for today. Please wait for the part 2 of this video. Reminder, learning the basic is always important. Please subscribe, and let me know your thoughts by writing a comment in the comment section below.